I welcome you to another lecture by the master teachers from the human kingdom. This is Mother Mary, and I have the pleasure of speaking to you today about what we call one's heart consciousness. My son, Yeshua, has activated your heart consciousness in the last 2 lectures and has shown you how to work with it. Today, I want to heal your heart space as far as it is possible in a lecture. Please, listen to this lecture in a quiet atmosphere and not during other activities. Many cuts and defenses constrict your heart space. Through my love and the light that I carry within me, we will release some of these today. I will offer further healing work for the planet through Katarina. This will come when the time is right. As you know, we work with energies, frequencies, and vibrations. Everything is created from light and sound, as well as other ingredients and methods that are as subtle as they are powerful. However, it is not my will that is crucial for this subtle healing work, but yours. If you allow it, layers of darkness that adversely affect your heart space, and your heart consciousness will be released today. Are you ready to let go of some layers you no longer need? Then allow it to happen today as you listen to these words. Everything that has been released will be replaced with light and love from the Most High. This is my gift to you. Many are yet to follow. I love you. Whoever you are listening to this, we know each other. Be with me. Allow yourself to absorb my light. It is for you, for your healing, and it helps you harness the power of your heart consciousness for the highest good of all, including yourself. Ask yourself, what is it that my soul seeks? Let your soul feel your heart consciousness. In this way, you create your world in the world, which in turn is held in the hearts of members holding positions in the divine order who carry the highest good of the planet in their hearts. Live and work from your heart, and the light in the world will increase. Listen to our lectures at different times of the day. Find out at what time they speak to you most deeply. They are designed to unlock you. They are the keys to opening your heart. This is how you unlock the world you are here to design with your divine qualities and talents. The SANAT Kumara will address this topic in more detail in his consciousness expanding fashion. But first, I am happy to welcome my colleagues from the kingdom of the Devas to the lineup of master teachers who teach at Namas University. Enjoy the next lecture with me. Beth Hold, who co-leads the kingdom of the Devas on earth in tandem with Wise One, will address the darkness we have been emerging from since 2012. The speaker will be his co-teacher, Chant. And that brings us to 2 announcements from the SANAT Kumara about current events that will have profound implications for all of us. I take my leave for today. and bow to you. This is the SANAT KUMARA. I am delighted to inform you that the second main station of the cosmic communication system has been opened. God Shiva, Goddess Saraswati, and Lord Ganesha await you to pass personal messages to you in the Bala Mandi temple in Ahmedabad, India. My deepest gratitude to the team who made this happen. After a year of preparation, the mission was completed on the 16th of February. You will be able to read all about it shortly. My love and blessings to all of you. This was the SANAT KUMARA. This is the SANAT KUMARA once again. Today, on 18th of February 2024, at 8:15 a.m. Central European Time, three triangles of light under the guidance of Bethold, co-leader of the Deva Kingdom of Earth, working together with Chant and Martina, co-teachers at Namas University, we established connection of Earth spirits of all regions, provinces, cities, and towns to one another and to the wider spiritual body of the solar system. The process has been mirrored on countless other solar systems within the Milky Way, all converging through their respective suns to the great central sun, Helios, unifying all spirits across the galaxy and the cosmos on this plane. As the cosmic communication system allows for communication based on the divine's evolutionary plan for each celestial body with the wider cosmos on the mental plane, this spirit binding allows it on the spiritual plane. My colleagues and I are delighted about this achievement. Details will be made known in a publication by Chant and Martina in due course. That's it for today. This lecture by Mother Mary was received by Katarina Adari, translated by her in English, and spoken by Rotimi Moses. We look forward to welcoming you to Bethold's first lecture at Namas University next week.